Woo! All right. So here we are. We're in the Corolla. We just installed the intake. Double checked everything. Hopefully everything is, hopefully everything is secure. So we'll find out. We just plugged it in, so I'm not sure if the car needs time to learn anything as far as like the ECU and the programming, but we shall find out and see. Okay. So it looks like all your settings do get reset, so you may have to go back and readjust everything. Looks like all this is on. That's what I have. Miles per hour. I like tank average. That's what I like to use. Okay, here we go. All right, CVT. Sounds pretty good. Yeah, it was a crazy day today. Traffic on the Bay Bridge. Apparently we had a jumper, so causing traffic on the whole Route 50 here. It's been crazy. But yeah, as far as the intake goes, it does have more of a growl. Hopefully that's not the engine blowing up. But I can hear it. Woo! Dang. All right, she got a little something. There's something there. There's something strange in your neighborhood. But yeah, so that was my brother John did the install. Overall pretty straightforward. The instructions that they give you are pretty clear. You can't mess up. There are a few things though, just to make sure you follow that diagram in the beginning. There's one coupler that's made to the throttle body, and then the other three are the same, so make sure those are in the right spots. Other than that, I mean, another thing they weren't too specific about was the OEM snorkel piece that you have to use. You want to make sure sorry. Yeah, this thing sounds sick. This is awesome. Okay, yeah, so overall the install was pretty simple. John rated 4 out of 10. That was pretty basic. Like I said, the instructions are pretty clear. The only thing was the little stock intake tube that goes on. You want to make sure that you want to adjust that. So the way in the diagram is not the way it's going to face, because it looks like that's what we did and it didn't match up. So you want it to be facing like towards the front of the car. So when you put it on to the bracket holes and line it up, make sure it's lined facing towards the front of the car, because that's where it grabs that cold air and sends it to the filter. So that was the only thing as far as that, but everything else, like I said, it was definitely a high quality kit. That just sounds beautiful. Holy crap. This thing, dude, this is beautiful. So who knows, hopefully it runs better as time goes on. Like I said, it's only the first mile or two after installing, so the ECU is, I don't know if it's still learning. I don't know. But yeah, so we'll see if there's any changes. Dude, this is sick. Oh my gosh. K&N Typhoon Intake. Wow. yeah, you definitely can feel the throttle response difference for sure. And then like I said, ultimately that you get that growl, man, that intake growl. Woo, super throaty. Right, so yeah, anyways, this intake is sick, and if I were to get an exhaust for this, I don't know yet. I'm still debating because it's, you know, daily commuter. I don't want to get anything crazy. The exhaust I'm really eyeing up right now is the HKS Legamax. It's a center exit exhaust. It looks pretty sick, but I don't know if I'm gonna get it or not. But so that's later down in the future. But the next mods are definitely gonna be, I want to get this spoiler, and then, you know, wheels and tires, 18s eventually, whenever that's gonna be. But for now, got the intake, having that wing, and it should be good for a while. So just to make it a little fun over the next year or so until I get the next upgrade, obviously. But yeah, highly recommend this kit from K&N. This is super great quality, easy to install, high quality parts. And as far as performance wise, like I said, I can feel differences as far as throttle response, and it just, man, you can really hear that thing. Hopefully I can capture the best I can in the video, but we shall, we'll see. I give you why. So if I shut up, it's because I want you guys to hear the intake, so I do apologize. Alright, so that's it. Back in the neighborhood. This intake is pretty sweet. Definitely recommend it so far. Originally, I did want to go with the InGen intake because, you know, I love the brand name of the InGen. But I saw a lot of people did have it on YouTube, and I was like, you know what? I didn't see anything on the K&N, so I wanted to get the K&N to try it out and review it, you know, for you guys, and just tell you what I think. And I know K&N usually typically makes good products, especially involving air induction stuff. So but yeah, so there she is, and I'm pretty happy with the purchase, and it's definitely recommend it for the, you know, the 2-liter Corolla. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this. You know, take a look at the K&N. I'm not sponsored or anything, so I just like doing reviews and buying good stuff, and if I like it, I will always recommend it for sure. I will never recommend something that I would never use myself, obviously. But yeah, all right, y'all. Hope you are taking care and being safe, and let's you know, let's keep pushing forward, get 2020 over with, and move on to next year. All right, peace out, yo.